Muscovy ducks of Functional Rustic, helping me build their winter enclosure. Got some perches for them. I can't use that pool in the winter, so I need a new watering situation. Got some 6mm plastic enclosed in the back of the barn. And I put straw down to help keep their little footies insulated. Decided to give them the table, just put some plastic on it so they can poop on it all winter. But now I've got lots of perches for everybody. See more of the Muscovy ducks and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com. And then to help keep them from escaping, I took apart a hamster cage. And then I put this under there, because normally they can crawl through under this part. So I've got some straw to insulate it. Got some pavers that I trash picked holding it up. It's very exciting. And they really seem to enjoy it. They've been in here for at least the last hour with me, which I love. It's 35 degrees outside and about 40 inside, so I understand why they want to be here. Yeah, in the winter months, the reason I don't want that pool is, one, it's really hard to dump, and so I don't want it to freeze in here. But the bigger issue is that the ducks don't actually need to be swimming when it's cold out. They just need the water to drink. So whatever my water situation is for them, I'm going to try to set it up so that they can't go swimming in it, because it will be freezing. I do live in Michigan and it gets cold. And then there's another stall over here. I don't have the lights on in there, so they can fly in there. And then the whole top of the barn is empty, so they can do whatever they want in there. And I've got some boxes for them to put nests in. I, for one, would not have thought to give them just an actual box. But I make all these fancy wooden boxes for them, and they ignore them, and then they find these empty cardboard boxes on the property and just lay eggs in them. So I'm working the problem by just giving them their box. See more of the Muscovy ducks and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com.